Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1962 MKII 1600 Mark II Roadster. This car originally was fitted with wire wheels, as you see here, 4-speed. Originally this car was chariot red with black interior. Pretty nice little color scheme on these desirable Mark II MKIIs. We just purchased this car from Florida from its long-term owner. He was getting a little older, so he just kind of ran out of steam. But you can see here he was kind of doing a bit of body work and prep to eventually restore the car. And nice thing about MKII Mark II is they've got the kicked in the teeth grille. That's the correct grille for it. And these tail lights are unique only to the Mark II. It's got a 1622cc engine, which I believe is 86 horsepower. But the nice thing is they have a numerically lower rear end axle ratio, so you can cruise along the freeway at more comfortable speeds than the earlier cars. So a bit more power, still has the disc brakes up front. This is a wire-wheeled 4-speed car. Very, very good car for restoration. Pretty straight, all the panels fit well. Very little rust, if any, on the car. Let me show you down low here, so you can see all the lower areas. This car still has the original rockers fitted, which is impressive. So, but you know, he was primering it and trying to do some at-home body work on the car. But you can see in here the original chariot red paint work. But yeah, original rockers, original bottoms of the fenders. So really solid car. We just sold one of these last month, and they're quite desirable right now. So let me show you here. So as a precaution, he was kind of he was priming some of the inner frame parts for protection. This car's fitted with the original black covered dashboard. Seats are here, top frame's here, side curtains are here. It's very complete. I haven't seen anything missing yet. This is the original side screen bag. It's got the original battery cover tray there. Let me show you the trunk, and I'll also show you the engine compartment. So the trunk on this car is really lovely. Really no rust. You can see it was just kind of hand priming, probably with Pour 15 in gray, getting it ready for the paint shop. But really nice in here. Little bit of repair needed on that corner, which is typical, where the rubber sits and rots away when the car stays damp for a while. The engine compartment, all very nice and tidy. This should be pretty simple to restore. It's got the original VIN plate still attached, which is great. And oh, it's taken off here, rolling on me. But yeah, hood fits pretty good. I had a block here to stop it from rolling. It's ready to roll away on a restoration here. So this is the original 1622cc engine. You can see it down there. I think it was running good. He was just going to detail and clean it up and put it back in. Original radiator, original carb set with air cleaners. This is all the parts. These are all the parts we got with the car. Some chrome body trim. There's some new items he's purchased. Generator, the starter's in here. This is the original radiator. There's even the original jack there. This is the gearbox, side screens, some soft top components, the drive shaft. So I believe this car to be all complete. It should be fairly easy to ship. But yeah, this engine's pretty much, this long block's pretty much all together, and it is the correct 1622 engine. But yeah, great car for restoration here. And it will be spectacular return to its original color scheme of chariot red with black. So there you have it, very complete 1962 MKII 1600 Mark II Roadster. Originally finished chariot red, black trim, wire wheels, 4-speed, and great project to sort of pick up here and start working on. You could probably get away with just kind of a nice body on restoration. There's really no significant rust issues, and could be a good little project here. So, and there you have it. These late MGAs they only made like 8,000 of them, so they're pretty desirable little cars, and it's definitely the one to do if you're going to be restoring an MGA. It's got the you're going to end up with the best model, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.